Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make marshmallows without corn syrup. We'll explore a straightforward method using common pantry staples to achieve that wonderfully soft and chewy texture you love. This guide will walk you through each step, from preparing your ingredients to the final dusting, ensuring your homemade marshmallows are a delightful success. Get ready to enjoy a classic treat made with a simple, natural approach. For our corn syrup-free marshmallows, you'll need just a few key items. Granulated sugar and water will form our simple syrup, replacing the corn syrup entirely. Unflavored gelatin is essential for giving the marshmallows their signature bounce and chewiness. A good quality vanilla extract will infuse them with a warm, inviting aroma. Finally, a blend of powdered sugar and cornstarch will create a perfect non-stick coating. The heart of our marshmallow making lies in preparing the syrup and gelatin correctly. First, bloom your gelatin in 1/2 cup of cold water for about 10 minutes until it softens. Meanwhile, combine 2 cups of granulated sugar with 1/2 cup of water in a saucepan. Heat this mixture to precisely 240 degrees Fahrenheit. Once ready, slowly and carefully pour the hot sugar syrup into your whipped gelatin, mixing continuously. After whipping, your marshmallow mixture will be wonderfully fluffy. Carefully pour it into a lightly greased, parchment-lined 9 by 13-inch pan. Now comes the waiting game. Let them set at room temperature for a minimum of 4 hours, or ideally, overnight. Once firm, dust the entire surface generously with a 50-50 blend of powdered sugar and cornstarch. Then, cut them into delightful squares or fun shapes and enjoy your homemade treats.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.